Hi, I'm Ron Flagg. I'm the president of Legal Services Corporation. LSC is the largest funder of civil legal aid in America. Tonight, it is my pleasure to congratulate Legal Aid of Nebraska on your 60th anniversary. What a wonderful and exciting milestone to celebrate. Many thanks to the board, staff, pro bono, and other supporters for the tremendous work you are doing every day to advance justice in Nebraska and to provide legal assistance to your neighbors living in poverty, particularly for the courageous, dedicated, and innovative work you have been doing as first responders amidst the pandemic and economic challenges through which we have been living. And it has been truly heartening and inspiring to see the extent to which all of you in this community have raised your efforts to meet those challenges. You've responded with remarkable courage, dedication, and ingenuity. In making a difference in the lives of your neighbors every day, you are truly heroes.
I just want to congratulate Legal Aid for 60 years of service and just convey how appreciative I am personally of Legal Aid and that the Nebraska Supreme Court is of Legal Aid. And I want to say that especially there have been a couple of initiatives lately that Legal Aid has participated in that are very helpful to us. One is our consortium that we have with Native American tribes and Native American courts, tribal courts, and the federal judiciary. And another is the special effort that Legal Aid has made in Nebraska and nationally to provide legal services to rural America and rural Nebraska. We are very appreciative of those efforts in particular.
Many of the rights that Nebraskans enjoy, whether it's a right to be free from domestic violence, a right to be protected in their home from illegal evictions or illegal housing conditions, those rights are not realistic unless people have an ability to enforce them. And on their own, working in a system which was built on the assumption that lawyers would be available, often those rights are non-existent, absent the availability of legal assistance. And that's where Legal Aid of Nebraska comes in and is critical to serving the communities in which Nebraskans live, and particularly low-income Nebraskans.
It is hugely important that Legal Aid exists and represents so many of our otherwise unrepresented individuals. It is very difficult for our judges to deal with unrepresented parties in our courts, because obviously if you're not represented by a lawyer, chances are you really have only limited knowledge of what is going on in a legal hearing or other legal proceedings. So it is extremely helpful to judges to have Legal Aid represent individuals in court. But even more importantly, obviously, it is extremely important that the parties who are being represented have that representation from Legal Aid.
When we think about how we can help our neighbors who are in need, I think of things like housing, family issues, job issues, educational issues, and those are all of the issues of which civil legal aid focus on. By making a contribution to Legal Aid of Nebraska, you're helping your neighbors stay safe in their homes, keep their families secure and intact, get the educational and employment opportunities that they're entitled to, and get the veterans benefits, the disability benefits to which they're entitled. It's a great investment in not only your neighbors, but in your community.